It's going with a level 9 Luigi. The best of the CPUs. They're currently trying to figure out how to do rock, paper, scissors with 2v1. Honestly, I have no idea what they're doing. They're trying to figure out what stage you're going to first. I don't know who's striking first or what's going on. So it looks like there's maybe... Oh, okay. Dreamland just got struck. Okay, it looks like we're going to FD for game 1. Now this is random. This is different color FD because this is 20XX training hack pack. So I've honestly never commentated a match before with a level 9 CPU playing as part of the actual match. Oh, we have a nice snare there by the CPU. So since this is Winners Finals, this is going to be best out of 5. Oh, and a nice forward smash there by Mucho Mario. So this game is actually kind of close, I'd say. Surprisingly so far. Nice up throw there by the level 9 CPU. Oh, but Mucho Mario not able to come back from that because he fell. Solid. I think that was an up smash? I don't know, not sure exactly what that was, but stock count is even now. Oh, nice team combo there by Tess and aminimouse. Tess has been working on the Peach for a little while, not a very long time, about maybe a few weeks, but his Peach is much more technical than another Peach that we had. He went by the tag of Frollo. He was going to compete in the tournament later on in singles, but he dropped out for some reason. Not sure why, but wow, this game is actually oh, that's a big stock to lose by Tess. Yes, these are really not good in, like, they're not really good in any form, but they're especially not good in doubles. Because if your team has stock advantage, or if the team has stock advantage, then it's hugely, it's a huge asset that the other team can use against the other. The team combos themselves off stage, saying, "Oh, well, I have a stock that I can lose anyway, so it doesn't really matter if I go off stage and perform like a far off stage dare or something like that." So the game actually looks relatively close. Tess and aminimouse have a slight lead. Let's, okay, and we have a share stock a little bit, maybe pick it there. Should I let aminimouse go on? Try to do it with 2 stocks. And now we have the level 9 CPU on their own. And is not able to up B, unfortunately. So game 1 is going to go to Tess and aminimouse. Once again, shoutouts to Cancer Awareness Committee for getting us a really nice venue. We're in a different room today than we were yesterday. Nice bigger room. We have a big projector. just a lot of great stuff in the second room. And first room was great because we had a lot of space. Second room, we also had a lot of space. But we also get a projector, so that's really cool. But yeah, shout out to them. Thank you guys. Alright, here we have game 2. Now we have a level 9 Ganondorf. Oh, the wizard kick. Wow, okay. Level 9 Ganondorf able to rack up a little bit of damage there. And Tess and Aminimouse will take an early lead. Double down tilt. Oh! Mucho Mario trying to read it forward smash there, doesn't quite get it. Down throws his level 9 CPU teammate. And up air is gonna finish that level 9 Ganondorf's second stock. Forward air, not quite. And a nice solid up smash to read the side B from Mucho Mario. Ooh, side B on stage. Probably not the best option for a level 9 Ganondorf to use. Up smash definitely not going to kill at 67% on PS1. That was really good DI though, also by Mucho Mario, to make sure that it didn't hit him any further away than it needed to. Oh! Nice read of the dare for Mucho Mario as Tess was using side B. But unfortunately it looks like Tess and Aminimouse are really walking away with this one, as they've only lost one stock so far. Oh! Tries level 9 tries to go for a Warlock punch. It's too far distance for it to connect. Doesn't quite get the downer on that level 9 CPU like he wanted to. Oh, nice recovery by aminimouse. Using the side B and then neutral B to recovery. Alright, we have Mucho Mario alone to take down 5 stocks. Can he do it? His answer was no. But he's certainly gonna try. Up air, up, not quite gonna kill. Back air. Yeah, this is a really tough situation to be in. Shine isn't quite able to line a pillar off that. Forward throw. Oh, accidentally grabs his teammate. Oh, misses the up smash. But that up smash is gonna connect, and that's gonna be game 2. We have 20 XX that are going blank. Oh no, it's best out of 5. Yeah, this is winners finals. So we're going with the level 9 Ganondorf again. Okay. Rocking the Super Mario Land music on Yoshi's Story. Oh, nice forward smash by Aminimouse, getting Mucho Mario off stage. And Marth's sword is a really good tool to use on this stage because it covers a lot of the area because it's such a small stage. Oh, level 9 almost able to connect with that Ganon with that Warlock punch, but an up smash seals the deal before he can do any damage. So once again, this is another game where Tess and Aminimouse are taking a very early lead. But they were able, level 9 was able to take a stock off, so maybe I spoke too soon. Oh, and another up smash to get rid of that level 9 stock. Goes for the Warlock Punch again in the middle of the stage. Isn't quite able to connect. Oh, goes for the up air. Gets the kill. Oh, barely misses the down throw to forward smash. That would have been pretty big if he would have got that, because that would have put Ganondorf off stage in a position where he could have gotten dared. Up B, not quite enough to kill yet. Oh. Oh, an SD by Mucho Mario. But this game is a lot closer than the last one, so... Oh! Ganondorf almost landing that Warlock Punch, but not quite. Wow, this game is actually really close. Not quite. Wow, 195 on Yoshi's story. Still not quite enough to kill. There we have that stock taken off of Ganondorf now. That was a big stock. Now we have the level 9 Ganondorf on his own. With Mucho Mario at this point just saying pretty much, I hope that I hope that the CPU can pull it off. Oh, and there's the up smash, and that seals the deal. So that is a solid 3-0 from Tess and aminimouse over Mucho Mario in the level 9.